As soon as I climbed that hill just a second ago, when I see a big pile of...
Oh, shit. What the... Shit.
Yeah, as soon as I climbed that hill just a second ago, when I see a big pile of...
Oh, shit. What the is that? Oh.
They waited too long to get here.
That shit just blew up again.
Yeah.
What in the... That was a crazy ass explosion sound just now, man. It gotta be some sort of fuel. It gotta be some sort of fuel tank, man.
Something.
Cause look how high that smoke is coming out. I don't think it's coming from a regular car.
Oh no, no.
No, I don't think so.
It's 2 rigs.
Oh, for real?
It's 2 rigs. Cause that's a rest area right there.
Oh.
That's a rest.
Yeah.
So I bet you they were trying to get in to go to sleep.
Oh,
and one probably fell asleep behind the wheel and rammed into somebody up back here.
God damn. Yo, this is crazy.
We'll have to wait till at least they put it out. They might let us through then, hopefully.
Golly. And I just found me a little highway buddy too. He was doing like the whole time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we was moving, man. We was getting it. And as soon as we got over here, we came to like a quick stop. I'm like, oh, what the like yeah. I just found a highway buddy, man. You know how it is, you know.
Oh yeah. I found a few of them on the way from Charleston today.
God. Sheesh.
Kids are ready to go home climbing to bed.
You say you came from Charleston, North Carolina? You going where?
South Carolina.
Oh, you came from South Carolina? Maybe you're going where?
Frankfurt, right there.
Oh.
Like literally my next exit.
So are we in Kentucky right now?
Yeah, we're in Kentucky. Yeah.
Oh, no. Look, it's revamping. It's revamping, Yeah. Nah, they can't put this fire out just yet. Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna be here for a minute.
Oh, shit. Yo. Yo, we about to, oh my God, man. We're making a U-turn on the highway, y'all. So they got this highway completely shut down. We had to make a U-turn, y'all. After sitting here for like 3 hours, man, I fell asleep. I got some sleep, so that's good. But, damn, man. Oh man. We legit had to make a U-turn on the road, yo. It's crazy, y'all. Shit, we'll be right back, y'all. Yeah. This is crazy. We legit made a U-turn on the highway, y'all. Just following traffic right now. This is wild. Damn, yo. This is wild, man. Yo, we are on the opposite side of the road, y'all. God damn. Yo, and the thing about these highways out here in Kentucky, you miss one exit, yo, you end up in Haiti, yo. Like, how far back we gotta go for an exit? Look at this shit, yo. Miss one freaking exit and you in Haiti, yo. Oh man. Oh, okay, so they're probably gonna have us merge right here. Okay. So they're gonna have us merge right here, and we're gonna be able to get off on the highway. Yo, what in the world, man? So we'll take the next exit and reroute this, take a different way, man. What a trip, what a trip, what a trip. Yeah, they shut down this whole highway, of course.